Useful why questions. Why did you remove? Bakit mo tinanggal? Why are you crying? Bakit ka umiiyak? Why you are not with them? Bakit hindi ka nila kasama? Why did you agree? Bakit ka sumang-ayon? Why can't you say? Bakit hindi mo masabi? Why did you leave me? Bakit mo ako iniwan? Why don't you tell me? Bakit hindi mo sabihin sa akin? Why are you here? Bakit ka nandito? Why are you happy? Bakit ka masaya? Why are you sad? Bakit ka malungkot? Why don't you speak? Bakit hindi ka magsalita? Why don't you say that? Bakit hindi mo sabihin yon? Why are we here? Bakit tayo nandito? Why did you do that? Bakit mo ginawa yon? Why are you leaving? Bakit ka aalis? Why do you have money? Bakit may pera ka? Why did you sell your house? Bakit mo pinagbili ang bahay mo? Why don't you try? Bakit hindi mo subukan? Why too many? Bakit napakarami? Why you always angry? Bakit lagi kang galit? Why I have to do this? Bakit kailangan ko tong gawin? Why is this happening? Bakit nangyayari to? Why did it stop? Bakit ka tumigil? Why are you alone? Bakit ka nag-iisa? Why did you buy it? Bakit mo binili yon? Why is she late? Bakit siya nahuli? Why would I do that? Bakit ko gagawin yon? Why aren't you sleeping yet? Bakit hindi ka pa natutulog? Why you keep on asking me? Bakit mo ba ako laging tinatanong? Why don't you stay? Bakit hindi ka manatili? Why most of you are absent? Bakit marami sa inyo ang liban? Why I'm not allowed to talk to you? Bakit hindi ako pwedeng makipag-usap sa'yo? Why you know a lot? Bakit marami kang nalalaman? Why did you tell my secrets? Bakit sinabi mo ang sikreto ko? Why are you in a hurry? Bakit ka nagmamadali? Why did you break up? Bakit kayo naghiwalay? Why are you so busy? Bakit ka sobrang abala? Why do you love me? Bakit mo ako mahal?